My friends, imagine this. An AI website builder creates a full page in 1 minute, but then you try to change one small thing, and the workflow suddenly slows down. You want to fix a headline, adjust a block, or change the form, and now you have to write another prompt and wait again. Or you use a regular visual editor, where everything is editable, but the AI part is almost missing. That is the problem the platform is trying to solve. It gives you AI generation, but still keeps the page editable inside a visual editor. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at Onepage AI 2.0. I'll show how it works inside the Onepage editor, how it connects with Claude through MCP, and how the same workflow can even run through Slack. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. If you sign up through it, you'll get 99% of your first month with Onepage. Alright, let's get started. Mates, Onepage is a website builder for landing pages, business websites, and lead generation pages. It is built around visual editing, so you can shape the page layout and content directly, without touching code. Moreover, with AI 2.0, the platform adds a stronger AI layer on top of that editor. The goal is not just to generate a first version, but to make that result easy to finish inside a real editing workflow. There are two main ways to use it. You can work directly inside the editor, describe what you want to add or change, and let the AI create new sections in the same page style. My friends, the second way is through Claude and MCP. With the skill connected, the assistant can use the platform's tools from an external chat, build the structure from a detailed prompt, and then let you continue editing the result visually. That is the key difference here. AI handles the heavy lifting, but you still control the final page, CRM, integrations, and settings. Folks, let's move into the dashboard. Here we can see an energy drink landing page called Dindan. This is already a full website. It's got everything you'd expect, from the hero section and benefits to product showcases, usage examples, and real customer feedback. It looks like something a designer could spend days preparing. But here the website was created with only a few messages in chat, and I did not write a single line of code. The first workflow starts inside Claude. I gave it a detailed prompt with the brand name, character, and direction for the page. Because the Onepage skill was connected through MCP, the assistant could use the platform's tools directly instead of only giving text suggestions. Mates, first it created the hero section, then we confirmed the style, and after that the rest of the landing page was built in the same direction. So the AI handled the structure, while the final creative controls still stayed with us. This is the first method, working from an external chat, while Onepage builds the website in the background. But the important part is that the final result still opens inside the visual editor, where we can adjust it manually. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's look at the second method. This time we start a new session directly inside the editor. The website is ready, but it still needs one important element – a way to collect leads. So I use the built-in chat and ask it to add a lead capture section in the same brand style. Folks, I also ask it to use a standard form, so every submission can go straight into the CRM. This way, the form is not just a visual block, it becomes part of the lead management workflow. And here is the result. In less than 2 minutes, a new section appears under the hero section with an early access badge, short text, and the form with name and email fields. The message also confirms that the form is connected to the CRM, so every submitted lead can appear in the internal database without extra setup. Guys, this is where the workflow becomes more useful than a basic AI website builder. I open Edit mode and go into the Controls panel. Here I can manually adjust the headline, labels, and form text, plus subtitles, placeholders, and the success message. This means I do not need a new prompt for every small change. As you can see, the first version is generated quickly, and then I can finish the section with visual controls. Once the changes are ready, I click Update, refresh the page, and test the form like a real visitor. I enter a name and email, submit it, and move into the CRM section. And here is the lead we just created. We can see the email, new lead status, and exactly which form and page the submission came from. Mates, the CRM is built into the platform, so it is not a separate app that needs to be connected manually. You can review leads, edit them, and manage contacts from the same workspace. After that, we can work with templates and automation settings. For example, you can prepare message templates that are sent after someone submits a form. Then I move into settings and integrations. The platform connects with all the major analytics tools you need. That includes Google Tag, Facebook Pixel, LinkedIn, and more, all to help with tracking and campaign measurement. My friends, you also get SEO settings and custom code options. You can add code to the head, body and styles, adjust cookie banner settings, and manage project-level configuration. And finally, there is the Slack workflow. The MCP connection can also work directly inside Slack. I tag the assistant, write a prompt, and ask it to use the connector. From there, the request can be processed right inside the Slack conversation. So the team can work in Slack, the assistant can handle the instruction, and the website can be built or updated in the background. So guys, here is the bottom line. Onepage AI 2.0 is useful because it combines AI website generation with real editing control. The Cloud and MCP workflow is strong when you want to build a page from a detailed prompt outside the platform. The built-in AI chat is useful when you want to add or change something directly inside the editor. And the controls panel makes the result editable, so you do not have to regenerate the whole section for every small fix. Folks, we just built a full landing page with a working lead form connected to the CRM, and we tested it too. We also made sure all the extras are covered, from integrations and SEO to custom code and Slack alerts. Onepage speeds things up, but you stay in control to finish the site the right way. So if you're tired of slow builds, this one's worth a look. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.